Hey guys, Chad Jenkins with SeedSpark Collab. Let's get into it. The 4 types of collaboration. So the first type of collaboration that I really unpacked was what I now call partner collaborations. And partner collaborations are pretty simple in nature, but yet very impactful. And the good thing is, you already have them. You just hadn't really established them or given them a specific name. And what I mean when I say that is empowering those that care the most about your business to be ambassadors for you. So let's get into it. Partner collaborations are comprised of your top typically 5 or 10 clients. And what constitutes a partner collaboration is along the way of their journey of engaging with your business, they made some polite suggestions. Sometimes might consider them complaints, but we heeded those complaints and or those polite suggestions, and we changed our product or service, increasing the value proposition for those we most enjoy serving. And it turns out they liked it. They continue to spend money with you. I'm sure as I began to unpack the simplicity of partner collaborations, you've already came up with 3 to 5 names of your top 5 or 10 clients that have made a considerable impact to the way you deliver your product or service and increase the value proposition to which they paid more, and they likely told their friends. It's really working. So what I most find is small to medium-sized business owners, entrepreneurs all over the world are not leveraging the power of this pretty substantial, I would argue, low-hanging fruit opportunity to empower those that already spend the most with your business and increase the value proposition your business is able to provide others. That's why I called it partner collaborations. So to get started, again, list the top 5 or 10, and then we have to give them a name. And I've seen some strategies be very successful, some that I also employ, which is after I name them, I introduce them and invite them to join. It's of their own accord. The structure I've seen be very effective as well. At most, a monthly Zoom, maybe a quarterly in-person, and an annual event. Nothing too heavy, maybe something around Christmas time. You get to show your appreciation, not sending the box of chocolates or chocolate-covered strawberries or other things that cost you about 4 times as much, and they're the same as the group down the hall or the guy across the road is sending as well. You could stand out very easily. And then beyond that, giving them feedback. So a lot of times whenever I'm engaged with my partner collaborations, they'll make suggestions of new products or services or even tweaks to my existing. And then of course, like anything, we have to name that baby. So I have incorporated some of their naming into my products or services, which absolutely empowers them to be an ambassador for you. So in a short stint, I'm hoping that you're beginning to see the power of partner collaborations, the familiarity that you already have these. Maybe there's a couple things that you haven't implemented yet. So I'm hoping this video shines some light on very easy tactics that you can employ to really establish your elite partner collaborations with a unique name and a unique annual engagement strategy, whether it's a Zoom call once a quarter and maybe we go to a nice dinner at the end of the year. And don't forget to complete the feedback loop, both in the impact that their suggestions are making, not only to the products and services that they buy, but great increases to the products and services that new prospects are buying. Who knows? Maybe they're the ones who introduced you. So thanks for stopping by. Hope you learned a lot about partner collaborations and you can get started today. I look forward to seeing you soon.